welcome to another episode of Toto and Meme.
And today we're going to explore around Kailua.
Strangest things ever, but as we're walking to the trailhead, I can smell chocolate. It smells great, and it's like raining outside, or it was raining at some point. But it smells phenomenal. I love chocolate.
So we just reached the trailhead of the pillboxes. This is the entrance, and here we go.
Off we go.
Super windy as well, but look at that. The pillbox in itself is like a piece of art because every time you come, the graffiti art is different. So it's like going to a museum on a different month of the year, and the exhibition is different. So you can see that.
Believe it or not, I've never gone down this chute, so here we go. So we can do it with one hand. Shoots, bro.
We had two very difficult choices, pancake or acai bowl. We both voted for pancakes. So after this, we're going to have an amazing breakfast eating pancakes at a secret location.
The time has come. We're going to Cinnamons. This is it. It better be good. So let's go eat some Cinnamons.
So the food finally arrived. I'm really excited. I'm like starving.
That was actually really quick. We waited for longer before we sat down than food actually took to get here. So
You ready, brother?
yeah, I'm so ready.
I never had Kailua pork like style
Really?
in Benedict. Yeah.
This thing is super good. Whatever sauce they put on this thing is great. Okay, so we just walked into a chocolate factory that I kept on seeing from downstairs. It smells so good in here. Nice lady is gonna give us a tour of the place. So, oh, there she is.
Welcome to Manoa Chocolate. Let's start.
This is real?
Yeah, this is real. Let's play the game Pass the Pod. It's big and it's like a football. It's heavy.
Wow.
So that's the fruit that all chocolate starts as.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Wow.
It's called, it comes from the tree called Theobroma cacao, and that's the tropical fruit.
Theobroma.
Yeah, which is named after the chemical in chocolate that makes you happy. It's like happy, but yeah, theobromine is the feel-good chemical. It's like caffeine, but a little bit different. It doesn't give you the jitters, but it gives you clarity and focus and joy.
I'm so glad we came to Cinnamon today, and then Toto was like, "Oh, let's go see the chocolate place." Like, it's amazing. I never really understood
This is
what
amazing.
chocolate nibs were. Like, now we know what it is.
So this is like literally, this is the chocolate nib, yeah?
Yeah.
You can eat this. We just hiked the pillboxes. And I'm like, why do I smell chocolate? This is unreal. And like we were like literally sitting there and I looked up and it was like, oh, chocolate factory. Right after we finished having breakfast, I noticed from my little humble chair the words chocolate factory behind me. So we came upstairs and we just went inside the store, and it's legitimately a chocolate factory. They make the chocolate from scratch. And we've been in there for like about an hour, and it's the most educational thing I've ever experienced in my life regarding chocolate. From how the cacao is harvested to how it's roasted, how the nibs are made, and tasting nibs without any additional sweetener or flavor to the actual final product mixed with certain things, and it's amazing. It's been the most, yeah, so far that has been the most educational and mind-opening thing.
And we had no idea we were coming here.
No.
It was godsend.
Pure accent. So anyways, thanks people from the Chocolate Factory for being so kind and nice. I am still so psyched about the whole experience with the Chocolate Factory. I've never had that kind of experience in my life before. Even in the car with Meme, we've been, I don't know. It's almost like meeting your best friend without knowing you're gonna meet your best friend. That was kind of like the relationship that I felt like I had with them. Anyways, here's Kailua. Enjoy the beach. We have arrived at the last destination of the day, and that is Island Snow. It's my favorite place, probably all in Kailua, so we're gonna go have some shipped ice. Excited?
From a level of 1 to 10,
I am so excited.
I'm like 100% excited.
I'm sure the camera is good.
Like we've been talking about this place the whole day.
I think the whole trip has been revolved around coming here.
At what time we were gonna eat shaved ice?
Thank you. All right, we've got the goods.
The moment. The moment.
Okay, so the hard part is gonna be.
Has arrived. I can hold the camera.
Let's eat somewhere. Let's eat right here.
Really delicious.
Oh no!
Why did you do that?
It just fell.
5 seconds? Ugh. No, don't do that. Don't
Don't touch the ground.
Ugh.
Just like drop like $3 on the ground.